Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce a platform I built called the AI RL Engineering Critic Studio. Okay, you can access here with the terms of the AI RL critic.fitalabtools.com. This platform is designed for AI control theory, or the design, reinforcement learning, and RL control project ideas. The goal is not to solve your projects but to help you critically examine your project from an engineering perspective before you start implementing it. Okay? Many AI or RL project ideas look interesting at first, but they often lack clear definition of the objective, input, output, and constraint with the evaluation metrics. Also, we need to give the baseline comparison, verification plan, and the potential risk. We need to define it. Okay? This system is designed to help you identify those gaps early and make your project more structured, measurable, and technically defensible. Okay? You can use the platform in two main ways. If you are starting from scratch, you can begin with the project builder by using these terms, or you can use this section or this section, and in order to do that, you can construct your project idea step by step. But if you have already a structured project card, you can upload it through the JSON IO interface and analyze it directly by using these terms. Okay. The critic report generated by the system shouldn't be interpreted as a final answer. Instead, you should read it as a methodological engineering checklist that highlights weakness or your missing components in your project. Okay. In particular, the system encourages to the users to clearly define what the project actually does, how success will be measured, what baseline or comparison logic will be used, and what risk and experiment must be considered. You should also review the mission control and the guided review section, which summarize the most critical issues detected in your project. So, in a summary, this platform is not a thesis writer or a project generator. It's an engineering critic tool intended to help you build a stronger, more defensible AI and RL project proposal. Okay. Firstly, how you can use this projects. First of all, if you have your JSON file in here, and so you can push it the JSON IO, and you should browse this one, and you should give the proper format in the JSON file. Okay, and so we have this case in here. If you want to guide or start to review your project, we have many cards in here. Okay, we have a 5 section with the terms of the project summary, readiness and mission control, blocking issues, risk and experiments, and the final report and the export. Okay, I will continue all the terms in here. These cards are given in here, just like this one, and so we can continue all of these terms. So at the end of this code, project summary, structural component analysis, verification gap with the score of this one, and also the other terms are given here in a detailed report. We have 4 formats to download your project report: Markdown, JSON, XLS, and the report JSON formats. Okay, and so for example, if we want to review the workbook in here, and so we can open this section in here just like this one, and so the mission control, each of the components are given with the what, with in terms of the domain interview, task, blueprints, or reference topic or reference methods. Each of them is generated in here in an order of the what, your project evaluation. Okay, you can easily analyze the whole report in here, or you can use the project builder in here just like this one. You have the stage workflow in here: project propose, input and output representation, data infrastructure, model architecture, optimization training, evaluation and verification, deployment, monitoring, and the engineering blueprints. And so each of them with the example of the inputs which is given in here, you can select the whole the terms in here just like this one, and also we suggest the topics considered in this project. Okay, that's it. These are the mainframe, and this is a start to criticize your network, because in the LLM models always gives you what the exact answer. But in order to combine your knowledge, your insight into the what, into the this AI structures or the RL structures, we need to write this kind of critic tools, because LLM can always say what to do, but what not to do. Okay, just remember that.